What's up, everybody? I know it's been a while. I'm starting to feel a little better. Got Arby's new bourbon chicken. Their sandwich right here is one of their new ones. Just open it up, see what it looks like. Hold on here. See what it looks like. Hey, kitty. Yeah, cat's in the house. Alright. Chicken tastes alright. You can taste the bacon. Let's try these. It's not bad. I'll give it maybe an 8 out of 10. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you all have a great day. And maybe I'll do food reviews once in a while. I don't know. I'm still trying to work on the diet. But it's okay to cheat every now and then, I guess. Ha ha ha.